CVO rear end. Juice. What's going on? Just pounding, fucking with your boy.
Shit, man, that shit sound crazy. Sound crazy, man.
That D&D exhaust go crazy, that's for
God
sure.
in heaven, bro. Just wait till we done with this motherfucker.
And we barely could see. My boy done pulled up and got the bike, man. We sliding. Nah, we still sliding though. Bro, you got a 2021, you gotta understand. People can't even get that, fool. Like, for real. This is a whole new bike. I like the way this thing sound though.
All you need is bars. Man.
Yeah, we throw them joints on. Yep.
Yeah, we ordered some, bro.
Throw them joints right up on there.
Just wait, just give it like a week. Like
Man.
Wait till we paint these motherfuckers for real.
Oh yeah, hold on. Let me get my boy. Show y'all where my boy from. Y'all see it? Oh, we got the just pounding, man. Y'all see what's going on? Just pounding, fucking with your boy Dre, man. Yes, sir. My boy about to be going up sliding. We ain't done yet though, man.
No, not even close, bro.
We not done yet.
Not even close. Keep a lookout for my video too.
Yes, sir.
Views from B-Road.
Yes, sir. Definitely gotta keep promoting yourself, bro.
Exactly.
You don't. Who else will, man? You gotta do it all day.
Nobody else
Y'all see
do
it. Hey, and I don't get copyrighted from your music, so we good now. Yes, sir. This thing is loud. Matter of fact, let me put. Yeah, I was wondering what that case was. I mean, a little thing was. I haven't seen that one.
I don't keep it there anymore because I was doing like maybe like 110 on the freeway.
Yeah.
And a rock came.
That's crazy.
I was like, oh, I had to go back and pick this bitch up. No cap. So, I mean, yeah. No, I mean, it feels straight.
No, it's good. It's for sure good.
All right, let's test this motherfucker.
Get that thumpity thump thump. Probably just, hold on, unplug this. Tighten this so it don't hang. Try it
I probably put
once.
this shit back in my pocket, honestly. But for now, probably.
You just don't want the Danko, but you solid. Let's hear it. That CVO rear end. Juice. Watch when you ride and get in the gas. Yes, sir, man. That thing is juiced up. Juiced up. That light is only for your throttle body. Oh, that ain't even it. That's your what's that shit called? Traction control.
But if the engine light comes on,
it's only the throttle body, yeah. Cause I ran it because you could run the codes and it tell you the exact one on the dash, so you don't gotta guess. That motherfucker, wow. And he's definitely excited.
That motherfucker loud, man.
Definitely.
I'm with my man BUILTBYDRE, man. We slide, never hide, man. You know my man stay working, man.
Y'all see what's going on, man.
Late night hype, man. Gonna get you right, man.
Hey, you see it, man. We do it for the people. Yeah.
That's a different little ride.
Yes, sir. The homie done pulled up, man. He's sliding. How you feeling? How you like it?
Loving that shit, man. That shit sound crazy.
Sir.
Sound crazy, man.
That D&D exhaust go crazy, that's for
God
sure.
in heaven, bro. Just wait till we done with this motherfucker. It's just the start.
Yeah.
This is the start right here, you feel me? I'm gonna show y'all the pictures on my page, on God, what this shit looked like when I first brought it to bro.
Nah, definitely.
You still got that video too, nigga.
Watch your bike.
Oh, God in heaven.
That's crazy, that motherfucker nice. Yeah, that exhaust is killing.
Yeah,
sorry about that.
That's pretty crazy.
Yes, sir, man.
Head up out of here, man.
Ride safe, man.
Feel good.
Yeah, no, hell yeah, you solid.
Alright, man.
I just tell everybody all the time. Homie, your helmet on?
Yep.
Okay, you good.
Alright,
man, you see I done gave you my powder-coated black kickstand, man.
Oh, yeah.
That shit be way better than the chrome. Nah, you good. You good. It's all love, bro. It's all love. Hell yeah. Just hit me, man. I'm a good. I know he feeling good after riding. It's been a minute.
For real?
Cool minute for sure. Yes, sir, man. We about to slide up out of here. We had a good day sliding on the water with the homies. We was having a great day out there in Long Beach, man. It's gonna get a little better in the weather, even though it's about to be winter. It's gonna still be some random sunny days we're gonna catch out there. But that's the thing about when you own these type of things, you get to go whenever you want, nothing but gas and time, man. We get to enjoy it with people, get them a cool experience, man. That's what it's about, man, because once upon a time, that's where we started at, you feel me? So that's what it's about, man. But we sliding, not hiding, man. Y'all see what's going on.